guys, Jay Howard from Neil Huffman Acura. Do you drive this, but you feel like you're driving this? That could be a sign of major suspension issues, or that your tires just aren't properly balanced.
Tire balancing will equally distribute the weight of the tire and wheel assembly so that they spin smoothly at highway speeds. And this is a routine maintenance that's recommended about every 6,000 to 10,000 miles, or even twice a year. Tires can become out of balance with regular tire wear, and this will cause premature wear to certain suspension and steering components, and even cause vibrations and unwanted road noises. Properly balanced tires will maximize the ride quality, prolong the life of the tires, and minimize vibrations and excessive road noises. As always, our parts and service department is committed to earning your loyalty and trust every time you visit, by helping you prolong the life of your vehicle. Huffman has to.